Okay, hello everyone. I am Maisa Luis Inco from DSHM3C, and for this video, we are diving into a super important topic in business, customer centricity. Alam nyo, it's one thing to say customer is key, pero iba yung actually building your whole business around them. It's not just about being nice, it's about a strategy that demands time, practice, and the willingness to adapt. Today, we are looking at four giant companies: Zappos, The Four Seasons, Postmates, and Birchbox, para makita natin how they transform themselves into customer-centric entities. First up is Zappos. If there is one company that's obsessed with customers, it's them. Their strategy is all about company culture. Sa Zappos, they believe that if you have happy employees, they will naturally provide amazing service. In fact, during training, they famously offer new hires money to quit, just to make sure that only the most committed people stay. Hindi sila gumagamit ng scripts sa call centers nila, and they don't care kung gaano katagal yung call. Ang goal lang is to create a wow experience. One time, may customer service rep sila na nakipag-usap sa customer for over 10 hours. That's how far they'd go just to build a real connection. And then next, let's move to the Four Seasons. In the hospitality industry, service is everything, and they lead the pack because of one simple principle: the golden rule. Ang strategy nila is treat others as you would wish to be treated. It sounds simple, right? Pero the magic is in the empowerment. Every employee, from the front desk to the housekeeping team, is empowered to solve a guest problem on the spot without asking for permission from a manager. Plus, they are masters of personalization. They have a massive database where they keep track of your preferences. So, if you stayed in their hotel in Paris and mentioned you like a specific type of tea, don't be surprised if it's already in your room when you check into their branch in New York. Now, let's look at the tech driven approach with Postmates. Unlike the first two, Postmates focuses on the convenience and speed. In a world where everyone is busy, their strategy is to be frictionless. Ibig sabihin, they want the process of getting what you want to be as effortless as possible. They use advanced data and hyperlocal logistics to make sure that anything you need, from food to office supplies, can be delivered to your door in minutes. For them, being customer centric means respecting the customer's time. They constantly update their app's UI or UX para mas mabilis at mas madaling mag-order. They turned a simple delivery service into a lifestyle habit. And then last but not the least, we have Birchbox. They basically invented the beauty box subscription model. Their strategy: data-driven personalization. Instead of just selling random products, Birchbox asks customers to fill out a detailed beauty profile. They use that data to curate a box that's specially for you. They use that data to curate a box that's specially for you, matching your skin type, your hair texture, and your style. But it doesn't stop there. They also focus on education. They send follow-up content like videos and articles teaching you how to use their products or the products. They don't just sell you a box, they guide you on a journey of discovery, which builds a massive trust and loyalty. So, whether it's through culture like Sapos, empowerment like Four Seasons, efficiency like Postmates, or data like Birchbox, the goal is always the same: putting the person first. Transitioning into a customer centered business isn't easy. It takes consistent effort and practice. Whereas we've seen today, when a company truly cares, the customers will always come back. That's it for this video. Thank you, and that's all.